The power of Pinterest SEO. Watch your traffic soar. Pinterest isn't just a social network, it's a visual search engine. That means people are actively searching for what you offer. Pinterest SEO is your secret weapon to get your content seen by millions. Imagine a constant stream of free organic traffic flooding your website or online shop. That's the power of Pinterest SEO. By optimizing your pins and profile, you can rank higher in search results. This means more people discover your awesome content. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or a passionate creator, Pinterest SEO is your golden ticket to success. Get ready to watch your website traffic soar as you tap into the magic of Pinterest. Think about it. When you need inspiration or want to buy something new, where do you go? Pinterest is a goldmine of ideas and products. People are primed to click, engage, and buy. This is your chance to connect with a highly engaged audience actively seeking what you offer. Keyword Power-Up. Unlock the secrets to Pinterest search. Keywords are the magic words that connect your content with eager pinners. Think of them as the bridge between what people are searching for and what you offer. The key is to use keywords that perfectly describe your content and resonate with your target audience. But where do you find these magical keywords? Pinterest's search bar is your best friend. Start typing in terms related to your niche. Pinterest will auto-suggest popular keywords. These suggestions are like gold. They reveal what people are actually searching for. For example, if you're a food blogger specializing in healthy recipes, don't just use generic terms like food or recipes. Instead, try healthy dinner recipes, vegetarian meal prep, or easy healthy desserts. The more specific your keywords, the better you can target your ideal audience. Crafting irresistible pins design tips for maximum impact. Think of your pins as eye-catching billboards on the Pinterest highway. They need to grab attention and entice users to click. Your pin design can make or break your success, so make it count. First impressions matter, so choose high-quality, visually appealing images or videos. Vertical images with a 2:3 aspect ratio tend to perform best on Pinterest. Use bright, bold colors and clear fonts that are easy to read. Most importantly, make sure your pins are relevant to your content and keywords. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pin styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Try using text overlays to highlight key information or create a sense of urgency. Incorporate your brand colors and logo to create a cohesive look and feel. Section 4. Consistency is key. Keep your Pinterest engine running. Consistency is like the fuel that keeps your Pinterest engine running smoothly. The more consistently you pin, the more visible you become to your audience. Aim to pin several times a day, spreading out your pins throughout the day to reach pinners in different time zones. Don't worry, you don't have to create all new content every time you pin. Repurpose your blog posts, articles, or product pages into multiple pins. Create a variety of pins for each piece of content, highlighting different angles or key takeaways. Think of your Pinterest boards as curated shop windows for your content. Organize your boards into relevant categories and use clear, concise names that accurately reflect the content. Regularly update your boards with fresh, engaging pins to keep your audience coming back for more. Section 5. Engage to thrive. Turn viewers into raving fans. Engagement is the secret sauce that takes your Pinterest strategy to the next level. It shows Pinterest that your content is valuable and worth showing to more people. Plus, it helps you build a loyal community around your brand. Respond to comments and messages promptly and thoughtfully. Show your audience that you're listening and appreciate their engagement. Use a friendly, approachable tone that encourages further interaction. Don't be afraid to ask questions in your pin descriptions. Encourage pinners to share their thoughts, experiences, or tips related to your content. The more you engage with your audience, the more invested they'll become in your brand. Section 6. Pinterest SEO. Your ticket to online success. Pinterest SEO is an ongoing journey, not a one-time task. It's about creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and optimizing it for search. By following these tips and best practices, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the incredible power of Pinterest for your brand. Remember to track your progress using Pinterest Analytics. Pay attention to what's working well and what could be improved. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your strategy along the way. So go forth and conquer the world of Pinterest. Embrace the power of SEO, create stunning visuals, engage with your audience, and watch your traffic soar to new heights.